Meaning of destock.
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 Destock. The term destock refers to the process of reducing or clearing out inventory in a business or organization. This could be done for various reasons, such as excess inventory levels, slow-moving products, or to make room for new inventory. When a company decides to destock, it typically involves discounting prices on the products or even selling them at a loss to move them quickly. The aim is to reduce inventory and free up space and resources for more profitable items. Ultimately, destocking can help a business to improve cash flow and increase profitability.